Hello everybody, welcome to this video where we are given two diagrams and we are supposed to find the value of x. Something is very important here is that do notice all the angles for part A happens to be exterior angles. And there is something really important to remember is that the exterior angle sum of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Meaning that actually x 112 and 101 they add up to 360 degrees. So for part A, right, if we know that, right, x is simply 360 minus 101 minus 112 to give me 147. And the reason for this is because we tap on this knowledge of 360 as the exterior angle sum of a polygon. So do write it down to let people know where this 360 come from. Yeah? So using that, I also saw that for part B, angle x is an exterior angle. Is outside. 72 is also. 113 is, but we are not given the exterior angle of the angle P. We are given the interior angle, which is 90 degrees. What does this mean? This means that this is also 90 because it is a straight line, yeah? So I will then be able to know that the last exterior angle is 90 degrees. And so for part B, x is 360 minus 72 minus 113 and minus 90 to give me 85. So I write down the reason why this 360 comes upon. Do remember that the exterior angle of all the polygon, they always sums up to 360 degrees. And we can make use of that property to solve problems like this. Yeah? We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.